Hola y saludos a todos. Hello, salud, hello, chao, hola, merhaba, hi, привет, check, buna, namaste, ni hao, konnichiwa, annyeong, assalamu alaikum, shalom, jesu, jambo, aloha. I am José Caballero from the Centro de Astrobiología, the Spanish Astrobiology Center in Madrid, and next Tuesday, 24th of February, ante diem sextum calendas martias, at 4 p.m. Central European Time, 1500 Coordinated Universal Time, I will give a seminar of the European Astrobiology Institute with the title Towards Inhabited, Habitable Planets. When will we detect the first uncontrovertible set of biomarkers in the atmosphere of an exoplanet? How and well will do it? Or rather, how and well will you do it? Which techniques will be used? Which facilities? Which will be the targeted planets? In this seminar, I will provide guidance on how to answer these questions and summarize the status of the forthcoming habitable planet space missions and instruments on ground telescopes, Habitable World Observatory, Large Interferometer for Exoplanets, Tianlin, and the instruments Harmony, Andes, and PCS for the Extremely Large Telescope, now under construction in Chile. See you in next Tuesday.